The classic Nutribullet personal blender, model NBR 0601WM 600W, 24 ounces, a blender many people consider a go-to for everyday smoothies and health blends. Let's break it down starting with specs and promised features. This blender has a 600-watt motor that's intended to turn anything from strawberries to spinach into smooth, sippable nutrition. Its intuitive design is simple: low twist, push, no complicated dials or programs. The 24-ounce cup, extractor blade, to-go lid, lip ring, and recipe book are included with the base. The cups are dishwasher safe, top rack recommended, and the blades can be rinsed underwater. It's built for compact convenience, a blender you can keep on your counter daily. In my tests, I used combinations of frozen berries, spinach, banana, protein powder, and ice. The motor handled lighter blends, fruit plus greens, quite smoothly. You get a creamy, consistent texture within 30 to 60 seconds. The simplicity is refreshing. Push, twist, blend. For tougher blends, lots of ice, nuts, dense fruits, it sometimes needed short pulses or extra liquid to prevent stalling. Compared to more powerful models, it's less forgiving with overloads. Cleanup is super easy. Twist off the blades, rinse, toss the cup in the dishwasher. No fuss. I especially liked how minimal parts there are. No extra jars, lids, or attachments to manage. On the flip side, because it's only 600W, it's a bit underpowered for crushing large ice cubes or frozen blocks. If you overload it, the motor struggles. Also, the cups are plastic, so you need to monitor for scratching or odor retention over time. Another drawback, because it's a personal blender, volume is limited. If you want to make servings for 2 or more, you'll need to blend twice or go for a larger unit. Also, the simple twist-and-go mechanism means less flexibility in speed or control. You can't adjust speed levels. If your priority is a no-fuss, daily personal blender that works for typical smoothies, this Nutribullet is a great pick. And as always, we share by links in description box so you can check pricing and availability. For its simplicity, reliability, and convenience, I'd give it 4 out of 5 stars. It won't beat high-powered blenders for heavy tasks, but for everyday blends, it serves very well.